Hi, and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today we're in the kitchen making some cabbage rolls, which is a Polish dish normally pronounced gaw-WOOMB-kee. Anyway, we're going to get started on it. First thing we want to do is get some fresh cabbage and blanch it in some boiling water. And then we're going to set that cabbage to the side. Just let it drain on some paper towels and dry it off. And next, we're going to take our ground beef and make a ground beef mixture of ground beef, rice, salt, pepper, and parsley. And combine that. We're going to take that mixture and roll it into little balls and place those little balls aside. Next, what we want to do is take those little balls and wrap those in the cabbage that we've already blanched. And then we're going to take those little balls, we're going to put them seam side down in a large pot. Now, once we have all of our cabbage rolls in the pot, we're going to put enough chicken stock in the pot to cover them, and we're going to just let those boil for a little while because we want to make sure that our meat is cooked thoroughly. So while our cabbage rolls are boiling, we're going to start on our tomato sauce. First thing we're going to do is take some oil and flour and make a roux. We're just going to keep stirring that until it turns the right color brown and consistency that we want. Then we're going to add some canned tomato soup to it and just mix it, combine, and just let it cook. Let it heat through. Then we're going to pour that over our cabbage rolls. If you are the type that likes sauerkraut, then you can add a little bit of sauerkraut to your dish at the last minute, and it's done. Just that easy. Enjoy your cabbage rolls, and thank you for joining us in Lavonne's Kitchen. We'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.